thread from Rex. Holy crap. Did Obama and his thugs frame and remove CIA Director General David Petraeus to replace him with John Brennan? Check this extract from an article from 10 November 2012 from the Telegraph. Quote, in a remarkable twist, it was agents from the Federal Bureau of Investigation who discovered that the head of the CIA was conducting an affair during an inquiry into possible email security breaches. Yeah, a remarkable twist, sure. Check out this timeline, knowing what we know today. November 6th, 2012. Obama wins the presidential election. November 7th, FBI officials brief the Director of National Intelligence, Clapper. November 8th, Clapper tells Petraeus to resign. November 9th, CIA Director Petraeus resigns. Now, what was Director Petraeus' schedule for November 14th? From Mother Jones, quote, Petraeus was to testify before a congressional panel on what the CIA knew about the September 11th attack on U.S. installments in the Libyan city of Benghazi, which resulted in the death of U.S. Ambassador Chris Stevens and 3 other American personnel. Did Petraeus testify? No. That fell to his number 2, Michael Morell, who covered up the CIA's involvement. By the way, the Mother Jones piece above is deliberately linked because it now exposes the rats they were trying to defend at the time. From The Guardian, former deputy CIA director defends editing Benghazi talking points. Back to Petraeus. The evidence used to take him out were emails between him and his lover that were accidentally discovered by FBI agents conducting a cyber-stalking investigation. Have you ever heard such utter bullshit? The FBI officials briefed DNI Clapper. Director of the FBI? Robert Mueller. Any bets that one of the other officials heavily involved was none other than Andy McCabe? Also, McCabe was one of the lead FBI agents investigating Benghazi. They wanted Petraeus out, didn't they? So, we have classified information, General Petraeus communications, that the FBI magically discover after rumors of an affair leak to the fake news, causing the FBI to brief Clapper, nixing Petraeus as an Obama threat. That MO is terribly familiar, isn't it? Petraeus was not the only victim of these 6 scum. They also used the framing of Petraeus to frame and take out a loyal and dedicated patriot, FBI agent Frederick W. Humphreys. Humphreys had been a decorated agent, but Humphreys was also a critic of Obama and was perceived as a troublemaker. So they destroyed him as well. Read this. Even ISIS found out about this guy's address. Keep in mind that this was likely being done by Obama's thugs to an innocent citizen. This is referring from the TampaBay.com in aftermath of Petraeus scandal. Outed FBI agent's family still feels sting of betrayal. Finally, and check this out, the original leak of photos smearing Humphreys was to none other than hack Michael Schmidt of the New York Times. Well, well, well. Seems the crooks have their fake news laundering up well in place by 2012. NewYorkTimes.com. Veteran FBI agent helped start Petraeus email inquiry. The rest, as they say, is history. Obama appointed this monster, John Brennan, as CIA director on March 8th, 2013. In this photo, I am trying to look human. Remember, Brennan has been Obama's Homeland Security Director since 2009. Obama's capture of the Republic's key institutions was complete. And so began 4 years of crime, corruption, and carnage that America is still trying to recover from. These traitors almost destroyed America. November 8th, 2016 was proof that they failed. But the fight's not over. The punishment for all these people must be so severe that their kind will never rise again. The damage that they have done is incalculable. I include Obama in particular. He's the spider at the center of it all. As President Trump says so well, these were crooked people. You know what they are, though? They're scum. They're human scum. This must never happen to a president again. He means it. No wonder the rats are so terrified. They should be.